Welcome to this morning healing waterfall meditation. Please begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. And as you exhale, release any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Now imagine yourself standing in a lush, tranquil forest. You can hear a gentle sound in the distance, the soothing rush of a waterfall. Picture yourself walking towards this beautiful waterfall, surrounded by vibrant greenery and soft wildflowers. As you approach, the air becomes cooler and fresher, filled with the scent of nature. As you reach the waterfall, take a moment to admire its grace. The water flows gently over the rocks, sparkling in the sunlight. You can feel the gentle mist on your skin, refreshing and inviting. Stand beneath the waterfall, allowing the healing water to wash over you. Visualize it washing away any physical pain or discomfort you may be experiencing. Feel the water as it flows over your body, soothing your muscles and easing any tension. Picture it cleansing your cells, organs and tissues, revitalizing you from the inside out. As the water continues to flow, imagine it carrying away any emotional burdens and negativity. Any worries or fears are swept away, far away from you. With each drop that touches your skin, feel the release of tension and pain. Feel it dissolve into the water. Now visualize the water transforming into a radiant light. As it flows over you, it fills you with warmth and love. This light flows into your body, nourishing every cell, every organ. Feel it rejuvenating you, restoring balance and harmony within. As you stand under the waterfall, immerse yourself in the feelings of love and light. Picture the water swirling around you, creating a protective cocoon of healing energy. This is your sacred space where you can let go of all that no longer serves you. Feel the connection of the water to your spirit. Each droplet is a reminder of your strength and resilience. You are worthy of healing, joy, and peace. Slowly imagine stepping away from the waterfall, carrying the healing light with you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently open your eyes and remember that you can return to this healing waterfall when you need to cleanse your mind and body. Carry this sense of peace and tranquility with you throughout your day, knowing that you are revitalized, refreshed, and surrounded by love and light.